welcome to a new video. Sorry that I'm a little jingly today. My name is Lainey, in case you didn't know, and I post every Tuesday and every other Friday, so be sure to hit that subscribe button to join our little family. Also support me on TikTok and Instagram because I post there daily sometimes, except right now because I'm in a depression wave. But yeah. Today we are going to be doing a cord with me video. I've never done one of these before, but in Ruffle Chat people are talking about what Lolita YouTube videos they want to see more of, and a top one was I want to see more like cord with me, how to cord videos. So I thought I would try my hand at it. In the description box I linked down some other Lolitas who have done very similar videos, and yeah, definitely go check those out after you watch this one and give them some love as well. But today we are going to be doing a how-to summer coordinate, cord with me summer edition, and I really hope you enjoy. Have fun! So we're going to be starting off with the bottom layer of the cord. I really like to wear shorts or bloomers, especially during the summer because it prevents chafing, and it's really nice to just have, you know, that extra layer in case someone tries to lift your petty, which unfortunately does happen. Anyways, I also wear sports bra because sports bras are built for absorbing sweat, which is kind of gross to say, but they are. And also it compresses a little bit, which is really nice because Lolita dresses aren't made for people with busts, unfortunately, so it does give you a little bit more room to breathe. The next layer is this cropped blouse. If you wear a cropped blouse instead of a full-length one, it's just less material against your skin. I really like this one because it's super stretchy and airy. As you can see, it's made out of this really sheer material, so the breeze just goes straight through you, doesn't even feel like you're wearing a blouse, honestly. And it's also just really cute, summery. If you sweat in it, the sweat doesn't stain. It's just a nice blouse overall, and I really recommend getting one. They're also super stretchy and fit loads of different body types. The next one is a petticoat. This is a crinoline skirt, however it's pronounced, which means it's adjustable, which I love, so you can adjust it to the size of your skirt. And it's like a hoop skirt, so it's super airy underneath, and to make sure that like you still get that shape. Obviously this is an A-line one because I'm wearing an A-line dress, but it does have this little piece of like violet on top, so it does try to hide the marks that those like circles leave. And I actually put another petticoat on top of it just to smooth it out because you can still kind of see the lines where those like boning pieces are, and I hate that. So don't mind the fact that my petticoat is black. All my white petticoats are stuck in college storage, but I just love extra poofiness too. And the next part is the very easy part, putting on a JSK. You want to choose a JSK that you do not mind getting sweaty, so don't wear anything super OTT that you need to take to the dry cleaners. Just pick a JSK that you can easily toss into the wash after your meet. Also, be very careful with what you choose material-wise. You want something that's a lot lighter in weight and something that's thinner to the touch. Something heavy and thick is going to make you sweat a lot, and those are more meant for colder seasons. For this one, I'm actually choosing to wear Annie's Breakfast, which is one I really love, and it's super easy to wash too, but you can wear whichever one you want. Next up, I don't wear wrist cuffs because I don't want to get sweat stains on them, so I opt out of wearing wrist cuffs, and instead I like to topple on all of these cute bracelets. I'm going to be using my natural hair, which you'll see in a second, so that's why I'm using these like dark gold bracelets mixed with these super cute light pastel kind of bracelets. I need to get more in general, but these are what I have, and overall I think they're super cute and you can completely fight me on them because I love them. Because of a condition I have that affects my hands, my fingers tend to swell up when my body gets overheated, so I actually can't wear rings. They won't go on my fingers because they're so swollen. So if you like rings, put on your favorite rings. If not, don't worry about it. And then I topped everything off with some cute necklaces. I need more cute necklaces, but I can't find any that I really like and that I think will go well with cords. So if you have recommendations, let me know. And next is my hair. I am one of those people who, even if it's 105 degrees outside and 90% humidity, I will still wear a wig because I hate my natural hair color that much. So I figured that's pretty unrealistic if I'm trying to do a summer cord video, so let's try it with my natural hair. And this is me trying to figure out how to style it all together and staring in the mirror and being like, why did I decide this? But in the end, I think it turned out pretty cute, and I don't actually hate it, which is shocking. I just push my bangs not even bangs, I just pushed the hair out of my face. I left a few little wispy pieces out, and then I tied it up in some pigtails. And then I put on my KC. Definitely wear a KC or just clips or bows or something, rather than like a veil or a big giant hat or something heavy, because it'll keep your head a lot cooler. And also a lot of your heat like comes out of your head, if that makes sense, so definitely opt to wear something with a lot less fabric. And I forgot my pretty dangly earrings, which I wear with almost every single cord because they mean a whole lot to me and they were a gift from a friend. So here's me putting in my pretty dangly earrings that I love. Next up are the shoes. Instead of wearing tights or OTKs, opt for ankle socks because it'll keep your legs so much cooler. There's this general rule of thumb where you match your hair color to your shoe, and I wanted to wear my pink tea party, so I was like, I'll just match my socks to my hair color. And I don't know what I was thinking. I should have just worn white socks, but I'm gonna roll with it. It's a look, guys. And that's it! Congratulations! So now it's time to step back, look at your full cord in the mirror, make some cute poses, smile to yourself, and think, well done. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and join my little family, and it would mean the entire world to me if you did. Anyways, I will see you in my next video, and goodbye!